Hey everybody, quick battery change video here. This is a Volvo S80 and battery's mounted in the trunk, and we're going to replace it with a new battery from OPTIMA. And I've already loosened the bolts on the retaining cover, so we'll go ahead and take those off. I believe I used let's see, 13 millimeter on this one. So if we can try to get that in the view here. Okay, so there's two bolts. Tray comes off. Trunk lid back up here. And we have a plastic cover. Try to see if we got a fit on these retaining clips. Let's see if a 10 millimeter fits. Yep. Okay. We got something for that. We're just stacking on top of each other here. So something to keep in mind is that batteries are heavy, so be careful when working with them, as well as do not let metal contact the ends or each other to avoid creating a current flow situation. So this will take off the gas drain, and we're going to have to remove the retaining clip for the battery base, and I believe that should be, let's go back to the 13 and see if that fits. Yes. So this is pretty realistic, give you a realistic idea on how long this actually takes, especially if we're messing up here. There is enough working room to actually do it. So. Okay, do we have enough room to pull this out? Let's see. Nope. We might have to take the whole thing off all the way. See, it is an actual bolt and a clip. Put those aside. Let's put everything else up here so we don't lose them. Okay. Okay, here goes. Straight back. Okay, today we're actually putting in an OPTIMA DH6 battery. Take this out of the box. And we're going to have to turn it around to face the contacts. So, real quick, you can look online, see what it actually looks like. Put it into place. I'm not going to put the contacts on. We already know we have color alignment for red and black, but I want to make sure we size the retaining clip location. It's here. Okay. And we have a good fit. So I just need to get this hole threaded again. Nope, we're in. Okay, hand tightened. Let's finish it off with a wrench. Opposite direction. I don't like touching that. Okay. So you want to make sure this is pretty locked in. You don't want this much mass sliding around the back of your trunk. That's just going to loosen itself further and create more problems down the road, literally. Okay, we've got a pretty good torque on there. So let's go on and connect the battery points. So let's do the worst one first. There's a little tab right there. Down it goes. Let's switch out our bits. Our sockets, I mean, sorry. And go ahead and tighten this one on. In fact, I'm going to make sure I have it all the way on. So we're going to do a little quick tap. Again, you want a good connection. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, you can see I probably should be wearing gloves, but the car's pretty well grounded, so I am not completing the circuit. Okay. And you know what? Let's actually tap that down first. Goes. Okay. Put all these away for now. Take these out of the picture. Okay, let's put back our retention tray. Let's put our cover back on. Actually, let's just see where if there's any venting for this. Did not even notice. See any vent points. Oh, there we go. Got it. Closest one's right here. So don't forget that gas venting. Okay. Got clear path for everything. Need to repair that. We'll do that later. This goes on. Okay. If you feel down here, there's actually a bolt that holds the clip on, and then a little point there, and then we can thread these nuts back on, and that's about it. So, just to show that real quick, that we actually have success, I'm going to go try to start this up in a second. Hopefully we actually get a good ignition, because this car is sat idle for quite some time. Okay. And the one on the back of the tray. So you can see on the directions here it says connect the red cable first, then the black. We did that correctly. That's not going down. Let's see, we got some ignition here.